Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel. There are beautiful bridal photo shoots of Pakistani actresses. Pakistani bridal fashion is ever changing and always evolving. However, the core essence remains the same, which is all about beautiful, heavily embellished dresses along with festive colors and fabrics. Pakistani fashion designers take pride in serving different fashion trends and influencing how the general masses then perceive them. Over the years, especially with the widespread usage of social media, women have attained a lot of information and awareness about what's in fashion and what isn't. This is exactly why a lot of big brands and fashion labels bring in beautiful Pakistani celebrities with massive fan following to showcase their bridal outfit. The trend of bridal photoshoot is not only limited to the showcasing of outfits, it has been the focal point for the beauty salon and makeup artists as well because they got to show their craft and makeup skills, further beautifying the gorgeous actresses. This is exactly why the fans and followers of Pakistani celebrity come across beautiful bridal photoshoot and then take the fashion and overall bridal inspiration from them. First one is Yamna Zaidi. This bridal photoshoot of Yamna Zaidi took everyone by surprise. Over the years, Yamna Zaidi has always kept her styling and glamour to an absolute minimum, but it seems she has now started to explore more domains, and this is why she became comfortable with the idea of doing a bridal photoshoot. This was actually done for a beauty salon where the makeup artist wanted to showcase their makeup skills. However, the overall vibe was beautifully ethnic and served a major inspiration to many brides to be. Yamna Zaidi has always looked stunning in minimal makeup looks, but with this photo shoot, she showed that she can carry heavy glamorous look too. The heavy jewelry, heavily embellished dress with a royal theme, and deep red color, everything was perfect, and Yamna looked stunning. The second one is Sanam Jung. Sanam Jung has also not done a lot of bridal photo shoots, but now when she decided to be a part of one, it turned out to be superb. This photo shoot was serving inspiration for Mayon and even Mehndi functions for those girls who like to have a glamorous yet understated look for their Maya or Mehndi functions. The outfit that Sanam Jung wore had a gorgeous, unique shade which actually made it stand out a lot more. Her styling is very ethnic and traditional with heavy jewelry, giving another idea and inspiration for brides to be that they can experiment based on their own preference. Not to miss, the decor and setup is absolutely stunning too. The third one is Maya Ali. Maya Ali is another beautiful Pakistani actress who is the first choice of a lot of big fashion designers to showcase their collection. That is why Maya Ali is seen in a lot of photo shoots. However, it had been a while since she did a bridal photo shoot, and when she finally decided to do one, it turned out stunning. The entire look is all about the beautiful Mehndi function with the festive colors and overall bright vibe to it. Maya Ali's overall bronzed makeup look also stunning and gave her a very regal look. This entire photoshoot was a perfect inspiration for those girls who wanted to stand out and have an elaborate look at their mehndi function. The fourth one is Sarah Khan. Sarah Khan has such beautiful ethnic features that she is easily a preferred celebrity to showcase bridal fashion in photo shoots. Sarah Khan has done a lot of beautiful bridal photo shoots, and this one was one of them as well. She wore a gorgeous deep red sharara and paired it the chrome dupatta to bring in some color and tie the metallic embellishment together. The jewelry and dress were so beautiful that her own hair and makeup was kept comparatively simple and fresh, making it a perfectly balanced bridal look for Bharat. Fifth one is Aiza Khan. Aiza Khan is a big name in the Pakistani industry, and because she has been so approachable, she is one of the first choices of a lot of fashion designers to showcase their bridal outfits. Aiza Khan's massive popularity and her confidence in these bridal photoshoots also have earned her a lot of preference. In this photo shoot posted recently on her Instagram, Aiza Khan is serving inspiration to girls for their walima or ever engagement functions. The gorgeous overall silver outfit with silver embellishment is easy on the eyes and is a perfect choice for those who want to stick to monotones after wearing a lot of bright and deep hues on their mehndi and barat functions. Aiza Khan's own styling is term of hair and makeup is glamorous and beautiful as well. The other one is Ikra Aziz. Ikra Aziz is also one of those celebrities who do not do a lot of bridal photo shoots. This is exactly why it was so well received. The overall vibe that have created in order to showcase this regal and heavily embellished outfit was stunning. This photo shoot was all about royal vibes. This is exactly why Ikra Aziz looked like a royal princess, making the outfit stand out even more. Her personal styling in terms of hair and makeup was more on the natural side, which enhanced her natural beauty a lot more. Mavra Hoken is also not too big on doing bridal photo shoots, and this is why this recent photo shoot of hers was well received, which showed her in a beautiful bridal fashion. This overall look of Mavra Hoken was fresh and perfect for engagement, nikah, or walima ceremonies. It is also appropriate for those brides who like to have a day wedding because the overall subtle and pastel shaded outfit with bronze embellishment is perfect for that. Her makeup look is clean and fresh, and the jewelry is traditional and beautiful. Sana Javed is also one of them. Sana Javed did not have a bridal photo shoot specifically, but the images she posted on her Instagram were worthy of being included in this list. She walked the ramp for a fashion label and wore this dreamy blue gorgeous outfit, which was stunning. Sana Javed went for heavy smoky eye makeup and mauve pink lips. She carried this stunning outfit gracefully. Let's just say it was all about this beautiful bridal dress, which is totally unique. There is Kinza Hashmi. Kinza Hashmi is another gorgeous Pakistani celebrity that carried bridal outfit to perfect in the photo shoots. She has the beautiful ethnic features along with confidence and personality to look good in any given styling and bridal outfit. This photo shoot was simple and to be the point with it shoot as a beautiful location, showcasing a gorgeous Bharat appropriate bridal outfit. The crop blouse along with the beautiful pattern lehenga looked stunning. Kinza Hashmi's personal styling in terms of hair and makeup was gorgeous as well. Sonia Hussain. Sonia Hussain is known to always bring her personal styling and touch in all of her photo shoots. Her expressions are unmatched and the entire body language exudes confidence and charm. This photo shoot was all about the deep and bold pattern bridal outfit, and then Sonia Hussain wore it like it was made for her. She kept her own styling quite casual yet glamorous, giving it another edge and showing that it about be the dress that should do all the talking. These complete list show the beautiful bridal photo shoots of Pakistani actresses that were seen recently. Which one of these are your favorite? Comment me in the comment section. If you like my video, then hit the like button and share to your friends. If you want to see more videos like that, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notified.